What's up, Libra? It's your girl Dominique with Empathic Guidance, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. And this video is you guys' series that I do every month, and I'm bumping it up to 2 times per month. So the first half of April we already did. Now this is the last half of April for the lies they tell and the secrets they keep for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the second half of April. So I hope you guys have been doing well, considering what's going on. As I continue acclimating the cards to your energy, please take this time to subscribe to the tribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Leave your comments and opinions down below. And we're going to just hop straight into you guys' video. So this is for the astrological sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the second half of April. Spirit, are there any deceptive or secretive energies surrounding the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Sea beacon fairy guidance, but where will it lead you? All right. So make sure that people are not leading you guys down rabbit holes full of snakes, because with the sea beacon fairy, I'm definitely getting that somebody may be serving as some type of guiding light to you guys, but make sure that they leading you down the right path here. This definitely can be a friend, because this is a 3 card, and I look at 3 cards as co-workers or just some type of cohesive connection, whether it be a friend, a buddy, an associate, but it's somebody that you trust enough to guide you. All right, it's time to clear the negative energy out of your immediate space here. All right, so yeah, that could be what you trying to get advice as it pertains to, maybe cleaning up your space here. So there definitely needs to be some energies that need to be gone. And it could be either be this person, or that could be exactly what they're trying to lead you away from is what you need to clean up in your life here. All right, transitions to the spiritual realm here. Okay, so when I see this card, this is kind of like the death card. Somebody could have actually lost a loved one. If not, it could be a loved one from the other side that's communicating with you or guiding you as it pertains to cleaning up your life, cleaning up your immediate space, and getting rid of what no longer serves you, because it seems as though you guys can be holding on to old memories that don't serve you as it pertains to a soulmate. And where I got the soulmate energy from is the fact that this is an 11 card. I don't really break 11s down because you don't break down master numbers, but I'm definitely going to see and find out exactly. Like I said, it can be ancestors. It definitely can be, you just getting signs and synchronicities, or the presence of a loved one that has passed on that's trying to tell you, you know what, it's time to clean up. All right, you got something in your space that's dead and gone, and that can be exactly what it is that your loved one from the other side is trying to help you see. And if it's not a recently passed loved one, it definitely can be ancestors. Okay, because Angel de los Muertos, that's definitely, like I said, transitional, Some of you guys can be really sad about the loss of a loved one, okay? Even if it happened a long time ago. All right, why is the sea beacon fairy here for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Sea beacon fairy. Yeah, it's time for you guys to move forward here. Libras, your energy is showing up in reverse here, so there is a sense of imbalance. Maybe it's hard for you guys to move on, or maybe you guys are moving on from an injustice here, or just moving on for what makes you feel imbalanced, or moving on from people that you feel are doing you unfairly here, okay? Divorces that may have been caused. Yeah, you're looking at a distance now. All right, or this what you guys should be focusing on. And that could also be what your guides are trying to tell you at this time. It's like, stop focusing on anything negative or people from your past that are negative. You guys are coming into good karma at this time. Things are changing for the positive with the Wheel of Fortune here. You guys are definitely on the up end of or what do I mean by the up end? You guys are on the top half of the scale when it comes to karma here. You guys aren't at the bottom. So that means that when I see that you guys are on the up end, then that means that somebody that have done you wrong in the past can possibly be on the bottom end. And I do have Justice and Wheel of Fortune crowning each other. So you guys could have just got yourselves out of a karmic situation here. And maybe you wondering if the person that did y'all wrong is getting y'all karma. And yeah, they are. You know, I'm seeing that whoever did wrong in this situation, they getting their karma. And if you were standing strong in this situation, then you're definitely getting good karma here. All right. Why is the mildew fairy here for cleanup time? All right. So even if you let this person go physically, it's time to let them go emotionally and energetically as well. Because there is a sense of, when I see the Page of Swords #1, that's that lurking energy. So you could be lurking on their Instagram, Facebook, MySpace, whatever, you know, Twitter, whatever. Or there could have been some messages that caused a lot of conflict here. Conflicting messages here. So maybe you recently reached out to this person because you were feeling kind of nostalgic here. Having sweet memories of the past. And man, it turned into a huge ass fight like you never thought before. That could be just a sign. Like, again, that's an additional sign because maybe you were uncertain and you like, you know what? I don't know. I still feel something for them. Let me see if they still feel something for me. Well, if you reached out, the communication was extremely immature. It could have led into a big argument or a big fight here. Mildew fairy, time to clean up. Yeah, okay. All right, so yes. So I'm getting fire sign feminine energy here. So you could be dealing with a fire sign, or you could be a Libra with fire in your chart here. I'm getting Leo energy, Taurus energy, Aquarius, and Scorpio energy. I'm getting your energy prominently here. But if you're dealing with an angry fire sign, they want to pull out of a situation. So there's a situation of you needing to realize that what it is that you want is not going in your way, because I'm getting the 9 of Cups in reverse. There's somebody that's very angry. So maybe you reached out for forgiveness. Maybe you just reached out to see how somebody was doing, and they responded in a way that you wasn't expecting here. They just went off the deep end. This could be somebody reaching out to you and you going off the deep end and wishing that somebody will leave you alone. Or you could be wondering if you should accept this person back, but I feel like you're getting signs. Again, you're getting signs. And one of the signs, yeah, you're getting is that this is dead and gone. And again, when I get Judgment card, not only is this a wake-up call, not only can this be, this can be communication from the spiritual realm, Archangel Gabriel, like I said, any ancestors, whether it was ancestors that you never met or people in your life that you were close to that passed away that you still hold a close spiritual connection or spiritual tie with. But somebody is trying to give you a wake-up call. I feel like you finally hearing it because the Judgment is in the upright here. That this situation is done. It's done. It's done. It's no resurrection. And I feel like there's a sense of you wanting a second chance from it. So with this, I definitely do feel like you don't have deceptive energy around you. The deceptive energy was, I feel like, more your subconscious of just wondering, like, should you revisit something or someone that you truly still care about? And I feel like you're going against the grain because spirit, your spiritual team, and everybody else around you could be telling you, like, this situation doesn't need to be resurrected. There's a sense of very, very negative communication. I'm getting 2 5s. So 5s always speak to lower vibrational energy to me as well. Angels de los Muertos for Libra, yeah. Okay. So it's time for you to stand your ground. Maybe at this time you need to be focused on your money and your success. Maybe this person is a distraction from that. But all in all, this is somebody that doesn't want to give you the attention or the accolades that you deserve here. So you're going to have to learn how to stand on your own and be the independent person that everybody around you knows that you can be. Because essentially the Nine of Pentacles doesn't need anybody. Regardless to what, you know, single or not, they have everything that they need in order to succeed. And I feel like that's the energy you need to be in. You need to be adapting to. And I feel like that's why this cleanup fairy is here, because that's the energy you need to adapt to at this time, especially instead of an energy of waiting. I'm not going to take that one because it fell on the floor, but I'm just going to pull 2 more cards for you, Libra. But this is basically cut and dry. Literally, I feel like the spiritual realm, all of the archangels, all of your ancestors, including the ones that you knew in this lifetime, are trying to tell you, and it came right back out, stop waiting for something that you're not getting a return on your investment. Okay? Yeah, see, King and Queen of Pentacles is here. This person was a really deep soulmate to you. When I see the King and Queen of Pentacles, it's like we could have had it all rolling in the deep like a Dale. Okay, but you're mourning this person. You feel like this person is your other half and you're seriously mourning them. But the thing is that you so focused on these 3 cups that spilled, which probably you lost your person to someone else, or your person is dating someone else now. But you spending so much time focusing on what's gone that you don't realize that you have an opportunity for a new connection. That's right there. As soon as you turn around, wipe your tears and stop crying over the cup spilled. You'll see what's there in front of you. And it's a brand new spanking love offer, okay? All right. Yeah, so get out of your happiness, Libra, and get into the energy of the Empress, because that's your highest vibrational energy. Not this. This is lower vibrational for you. So it's time for you to stop allowing injustice after injustice. Nothing that is continuing to invoke karma, negative karma in your life, or negativity or roadblocks, or just a lack of return on your investment is meant to continue to invest in. It comes a point where you just have to give up on things and realize that that wasn't for you. It didn't serve you. And everybody and every spiritual aspect of your life, or every spiritual guide that you have, is trying to tell you that too. Okay, so let's get some final advice for Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Well, one flew out. Blossoming, you know, and I do feel like this could be you growing. You growing out of this. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. You know, you are really facing the music at this time. You could have using this moon cycle here, you know, to really manifest releasing this situation here, because you know that releasing this is really going to have you grow like you should grow. This is a 33 card, another master number I don't want to break down, you know, but again, 3 speak to cohesiveness, you know, so maybe you're meeting more like-minded individuals and facing the fact that this person just wasn't meant to stay in your circle, that they were only meant to be in your life for a time. Also 33s, you know, that just reminds me of life path numbers. So some of you guys can be life path number 33. Let's see. Let's get some advice, some more advice here for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So yeah, growing out of a situation here, just self-development, self-growth, blossoming. You are protected at this time. You are being protected by the divine, by your family members, by your elders, by your foremothers and fathers. And so that's what I want to say, is that spiritual rejection is spiritual. I mean, rejection is spiritual protection. So even if you felt like, damn, that was my soulmate, why didn't things work out? Understand that at this time, it was done out of protection, all right? And you'll find that out, because that big old bird represents messages. So you will totally get that in due time. This was protection against protection. Yeah. It's time to find the beauty within yourself, the self-worth. You know, like I said, I feel like you have to grow into your own. There's a sense of, you know, even holding on to things because you don't like the idea or you're uncomfortable with the idea of being alone. We have the pleasure card here. So the sooner you set yourself free and liberate yourself from this situation, the sooner you will experience the pleasurable part of it, because right now you're just feeling very vulnerable. But just know that you are being protected, and that in fact this separation was in fact protection as well. Okay guys, so I really hope that this message helped, and if it did, please give it a big fat thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join the Soul Tribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. Ciao.